Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I have a special video for you guys today. So I do have a couple boxes that I'm going to unbox for you, but I have a special box that I am especially excited to show you guys. So yeah, stay tuned to see what these are. Okay, so I think I will go ahead and unbox this with you guys first. And so if you guys can see the name on this box, it is from JORD Watches. And so I received an email several weeks ago from someone at this company. And here we go. And he said if I was interested in doing a type of collaboration, and I said of course I am, because I have seen several of my friends here on YouTube doing it as well. And so I get these emails from time to time from people that of course I don't know who they are, representing different companies. And usually, I usually just ignore them, but then when I saw this email, I wanted to, open it up and see what it's all about. And anyways, let's put all that behind us. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this comes with a wooden box. I already knew it came in a wooden box because I've seen so many other unboxings on YouTube for it. Here is a cleaning cloth. Really cool. It says JORD on the side there, and it also comes with, it's a little difficult to get out, it also comes with this finishing oil. Alright, so I'll just go ahead and cap that for now and show you guys this amazing. So I have already opened it and I have a story behind that as well, but I'm going to open this up for you guys. And here is the watch, if it'll focus. And this is part of the Sawyer series. Here is the booklet. Alright. And so the story that I have with this watch is that, and here's just a little card that comes with the watch, and here is another cleaning cloth that comes with the watch. So I was originally sent another watch, and I wasn't such a big fan of it, and I asked them if I could exchange it, and luckily I was able to, and I was able to exchange it for this watch here. And unfortunately it is not sized. They usually do size watches. Oh, and currently I am wearing my Louis Vuitton watch. Let me take that off, or actually, since it's not really sized, I'll just put it on at the moment. So it is exciting. So here is the watch here. So they are also running a giveaway for a gift certificate for $100 off any JORD watch. And I think the JORD watches start at about $130. And so check below for a link, and I think this is going to go up until September 16th, which is actually my birthday, which is actually really cool. And yeah, so this is open to anybody out there in YouTube land. And if you can't wait and you want a JORD watch ASAP, there is also another coupon code that you can use. I believe it's docLUXURY, and you could use that for, I think it's $25 off your purchase. So yeah, for all the details, see below, and if you have any comments or anything like that, please let me know as well. And stay tuned as I show this watch in a couple of my other videos. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Anyways, let's go on to this other box here that I have. You can see And let me go ahead and open it up for you. So I'm just opening up the box. And right now my table here in my little filming area is full of other boxes, so I've been pretty bad. But yeah, I've been shopping quite a bit. Okay, so here is, you guys can kind of see what it is. It is from Louis Vuitton. Alright, so my SA gave me a shopping bag, but let me put that away for a moment. And some packaging. I have one box. Oh, I have 2 boxes. And I have 3 boxes. Okay, let me put this box. That's fine, I'll just leave it right there. But let's see, I'll go ahead and open the larger boxes first. So here is the first one. Alright. Here is a Louis Vuitton dust bag. Can you guys guess what it is? So it's a very flat item. Let me open it up, and wow, this is really cool. So this is a Neverfull pouch, and I'm not even actually sure. So this is leather, but I'm not sure what color it's from or what style Neverfull it came from. But it is sort of like in a khaki color. That's the best color reference I know of. And in the inside, so it is in silver, and on the inside, ooh, the inside, I don't know if it's lined, but it does feel like what's the other side of leather called? Suede. It feels like suede. It could also be that Alcantara material. I'm not totally sure, but it also comes with the matching strap, which is really cool. So I did ask my SA if there was any of these. So these are basically spare parts, and I am really, really liking pouches, and I asked if there's any pouches laying around from these Neverfulls. And so I don't have any interest in an actual Neverfull itself, but I am interested in these pouches. And yeah, he said these 2 were lying around, or I already gave the other one away. So here is the other one. Let me open it before I ruin what's in here. Well, I already sort of did, but you guys don't know what color it is. So here are the receipts. Here is the other item. And this one is, so this is the pouch in the monogram. And you can see it also has the matching strap, which is in the vachetta leather. And on the inside, it is orange. It's like a pop of color, which is really cool. And oh, and I noticed, so this has a pocket on the inside. So I never really saw the inside of these pouches online or, in videos. But now I see that this one has a pocket, and I don't think this one did. No, this one does not have a pocket. And I could already tell, so this one is not going to fit very much at all. If anything, probably some, receipts or, just flat paper items like cash or even credit cards. But this one, you could, stretch it out a little bit and fits quite a bit more stuff. So that's really cool. And the hardware on this is in that brushed brass. And it is not shiny, though this part is. Now I know people have been, you know, talking about that, where the different hardwares or on pieces, for example, this is shiny and this is not, why those pieces are found on the same item. And the biggest discrepancy I've seen of a piece that I've had myself, which I recently returned, is the titanium piece key ball, because the key ball itself had silver hardware and the luggage tag had gold hardware, which I thought was really odd. But yeah, anyway, so that is what I have for you guys to, oh, I forgot there was 3 boxes, sorry. So here is the other box, and this one's just a drawer pull, so I don't have to take off the ribbon. And this is actually really exciting. So here's another flat item, but I'll tell you, it's not a Neverfull pouch. It is, oh, you can't really see it. Oh, wow. So this is a watch strap, and it is in the monogram titanium. You guys, if it'll focus. Anyway, so I got it for this watch right here, but I am now seeing, so this is a new strap sort of attachment where you just push it down and attach it to the clip or the pin on here. But this watch, so it'll definitely fit it, but this watch has a pin where you have to poke it on the you know, on the sides here to be able to release it. So I think I would just have to use a pin from this strap or something else, and then, you know, pin these together. And while I have this out here, I also brought out my other straps for this watch. Okay, so this is the original strap that came with the watch. It is the rubber. It's just a plain black rubber. Well, it's not plain, it's in that sort of damier effect. And then I also got, I don't think I ever did a unboxing of this item, so I don't unbox everything that I purchase. But this is in the monogram Eclipse canvas, if it'll focus. But anyway, so yeah, that is my collection of watch straps, and I'm excited to have this new one, just because I did decide to return the monogram or the titanium keep all, that I still have something from that collection, and find out if I kept the other item that I had, which was the Messenger PM. And also, here's another clue for you. There is going to be another unboxing with another item from the titanium collection. But anyways, that's all I really wanted to say for this video. Thanks for watching, and remember, I will put the stuff down below as far as the giveaway contest from JORD Watches, and that coupon code if you want to buy a watch right now. Yeah, so that does it for this video. Thanks for watching. Take care, you guys. Until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care. Bye.